Alright guys, so we finally got something done to the car again. Alright Andy, pop it.
Oh shit.
No, I meant the hood. Here we go. Alright guys, if you guys didn't know already, I actually got a blow-off valve on the car. It is the Hks Sqv4 or Sqv4 blow-off valve. And we get some really nice turbo flutters with this thing paired with the cob intake. So we actually get a blow-off and a flutter with this setup. So right now we're gonna go out and get some clips for you guys of the just the flutter, and as much as possible. It's pretty loud, honestly. You can hear it just driving inside your cabin. You can hear it when you pull up next to someone and you just got on throttle a little bit. So when you're in boost, it actually is super loud. When you're not in boost, you get no blow off, you get no flutter, but you know, it makes sense, you be in boost with that. But anyways, we're gonna get some clips for you guys right now, and it sounds insane. I like it, so let's go. All right guys, I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna try the Bluetooth mode on this. Let's air up here. Oh, that is so sick. All right, let's see if we can go all the way up now. That's so sick. All right, let's see it. And let's slam right here. So I love this so much, dude. This is cool. As you can see here, we got our PSI up there, but we need to get to ride height right now because we're about to head out. Nice.
Is it worth $5,000?
What?
Is it worth $5,000?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Most definitely.
So guys, we did some pulls along this road here. Hope you guys heard that. If you guys haven't noticed already, I switched back to my stock headlights with the little C-light modification that me and Andy did here. We opened this up and switched back. The only reason why is because my old headlights actually broke, the ones I had in. It was very weird because one of the DRLs stopped working for some reason, and I thought it looked ugly, so I switched back to these, and these are pretty nice. I might keep these for a while, and I might buy some new headlights soon. But if I do keep these for a while, I'm probably gonna reopen them again and paint the housings black, because this chrome liner is it's not the move right now. It looks too passive. We need that thing to be aggressive. All right guys, so what the interior sounds like. Hopefully you can actually hear it. I'll have the windows down for this one. It's kind of hard to hear. Let me get close to this wall right here. You guys might be able to hear it. Let's try windows closed. You hear it way better on the inside when windows are closed. You hear it right around this area. Let me go again. You like that? You like that? I like it. Go. Oh shit. I don't know if you guys noticed too, but I also just installed a new mount for the controller right here. It's pretty neat. I actually like it right here. A lot of people mount theirs around this area, probably maybe up there, or maybe where the access port is. I kind of mounted mine, you know, on the trim right there, and it looks really nice. It clears too, so I could shift gears and I won't hit it. It won't get in the way. What's up, guys? I'm actually editing the video right now, and I noticed I didn't really do an outro. But this video was pretty short. I just kind of threw it together because I really wanted to get the blow valve, that video out there too. I got some more videos coming out for you guys, but I really want to get this one out. I kind of got all the clips I really needed. It's kind of hard to make this video like a very lengthy one, but besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think about the blow valve. And I mean, I really like it. I personally wanted to go for the high pitched one, or the not the recirculating blow valve, but the atmospheric blow valve, the one that makes that classic high pitched little squeak when you shift gears. I love that one a lot, but I ended up getting this one mainly because I didn't know it was a recirculating one. I think I could make it atmospheric if I change some things, but I'm already tuning the car to be with the recirculating one, so I might as well keep it. Also, that Flutter I think is very iconic, and it stands out more than the atmospheric one with the high pitch, in my opinion, because everyone knows what the Flutter is, everyone knows what it sounds like, and everyone likes it. So whenever you pull up next to someone and you flutter, it immediately breaks necks, and I had a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys a lot for all the support recently, and just we're growing, and I have a big surprise coming soon for all you guys. Not me, not the boys, it's for you guys. So when that surprise gets in, I'll make a video on that, I'll post it everywhere, and you guys are gonna like it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.